Let's talk about A star search. Let's assume we have the following grid. The start state is right here, and the goal state is right here. And just for convenience, I will give each field a little number, A, B, C, D. Let me draw a heuristic function. Please take a look for a moment and tell me whether this heuristic function is admissible. Check here if yes and here if no. Which one is the first node A star would expand? B1 or A2? What's the second node to expand? B1, C1, A2, A3, or B2? And finally, what is the third node to expand? D1, C2, B3, or A4?
Title is A star search. It shows a 4-row, 6-column grid. The row is indexed by A, B, C, and D. The column is indexed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The start point is in A1 and the goal is in D6. Each cell has a heuristic value. I will rate the heuristic values in cells from left to right. The first row is 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. The second row is 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. The third row is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. And the fourth row is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. The first question is whether this heuristic function is admissible. The second question is which node is the first node to expand, B1 or A2? The third question is which node is the second node to expand, B1, C1, A2, A3, or B2? The last question is which node is the third node to expand, D1, C2, B3, or A4?
Well, clearly this is an admissible heuristic because the distance to the goal is strictly underestimated. From here, it would take 1 step. From here, it'll take 1, 2 steps. So the answer is yes. Now, to understand A star, let me also draw the G function for the relevant part of this table. Clearly G is 0 over here. To understand which node to expand, this one or this one, let's project the G function, which is 1. And we'll see that 3 plus 1 is smaller than 4 plus 1. Therefore, this is the second node to expand, which is B1. Now let me, for the next step, expand the G function from this guy here, 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, versus 3 plus 2 is 5. So we expand this node next, which is C1. And finally, the G function from here would go 3 and 3. 3 plus 1 is better than 3 plus 2. So we will expand D1 next. And notice how in the sum of G and H, this node over here, which has a total of 4, is better than any other node that is unexpanded. So in particular, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5 as well, and 2 plus 3 is 5 as well. So this is the next one to expand.
The G function of A1 is 0. G of A2 is 1. G of B1 is 1. G of B2 is 2. G of C1 is 2. G of C2 is 3. G of D1 is 3. The heuristic function is admissible. The first node to expand is B1. The second node to expand is C1, and the third node to expand is D1.